So, hello guys. Today we will do the DBMS part, like DBMS programming. So, I have typed my password already. If you did, didn't type your password, just do it. Today we will create a database named college. So first, let me show you how to show the databases that we have created in earlier. So just type show database bases. So then type enter. So we have airline program, and, and these five are the inbuilt function, inbuilt databases already created by this. So today we will create a college database. So just type create database base college and just type enter. You need to give this this mark at the end and type enter. So our query is entered, and now again type show database, and you can do one thing. Just type the upper arrow and you will get that. And again, actually it's a predefined function that DBMS always have. So just click enter again, and we have the name college in here. So if you want to use the college, then use college and just type enter. So our database is changed, and now we entered in the college database. So if we do anything in here, it will saved in our college database. So in college database, we have to create three tables. First is student, second course, and third admission. So just create the first create table student, and just type that what you want to insert in the table. I'm going to type roll number and we need to give them this char is just for character, and it is used for both letter and character. And here just see student name where is for the different names actually, and it is especially for alphabets. And just I'm giving the length 20. These are the length I'm just giving in the bracket. And next, course ID, and it's again where uh, I'm just giving the length 10. And again, like date of birth I'm just giving in the let's see, date of birth, just like date. Okay, and just give this mark at the end, just type and it's okay. Just like I made it something wrong in here. Okay, date. Now it's again giving us this